All right, good morning, everyone. It is 8:42 on, what's today's date? The 12th of April, 2021. Just got back, I got back on early Thursday morning last week from a vacation. Wonderful vacation at my parents' house. And just kind of didn't come in and trade on Thursday or Friday, and just now getting back into the office. And it is great to take a break. All right. So today on Watch, the scanners are looking pretty slim. There's not a heck of a lot that I see that's really worth watching as of right now. I've got FND, I've got a level at $111.28. Just looking for a 1% bounce off of that level. And then I will exit my position entirely. And then also 108.42. So if this works out today, then I'll have two trades on FND. Imagine it's going to hit this 111.28 somewhere about that level and move away for a 1% gain. Same thing with 108.42. We'll see how it behaves today. The news is they had a reporting. Let's see. No, actually, you know what? The last time they reported was in February. I don't know what's got this bounce going. I don't care. It's just price action anyway. Okay, so then the next one, the small cap that I'm looking at is WHLM. WHLM just recently filed the news catalyst for the small cap. Now, I do like to see news for small caps. I do like to see a catalyst for that. And they have filed a Schedule 13D/A, and that is a form that must be filled with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission when a person or group acquires more than 5% of any class of a company's shares. So there's this company, let's see, it's like Craftsman or Carmen or let's see, Brad Krasner and the Krasner Family Investments became effective, blah, blah, blah. Well, so there's a company that bought about 2 million, okay, here we go. Recorded owner of 2.43 million shares of the common stock represented approximately 47.1% of the issue in outstanding common stock. The Schwartz Trust and Mr. Schwartz may also be deemed to beneficially own the shares of common stock directly owned by NP. However, blah, 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 blah. All right. So I imagine, I don't know. There's a catalyst, there's price action. Let's see how it behaves. I'll be trading this according to momentum. Pre-market on WHLM, there have been 1.94 shares traded. We'll see how it behaves after it opens, if it starts showing momentum. I wish there was more, really. I'll just take a look at the broader market here, what's going on. There's the SPY. SPY looks like it's down just slightly, yeah, just a few cents off of its close from Friday. Let's take a look at the VIX. The VIX has a 17 handle on it. That's good stuff. Yeah, it has gotten below the gap. That's really nice. This is a really, it's time to get bullish. Really bullish. It was time to get bullish back here. It looks like the VIX came up and tested the bottom of the gap there a couple times, and now is fading away. On a day-to-day basis, it's hard to tell exactly what it's going to do, but it is beneath the gap. Now, the gap was created back here in late February of 2020 and into March of 2021, where there was that gigantic sell-off, I don't know, 35% or something like that sell-off in the market in the SPY. And since it created that gap, this is the first time it's broken below the gap since then. And it spent, let's see, after it broke down, it spent 1, 2, 3 days trying to get back up above and hasn't been able to do it. So we'll see how today goes. There's no telling. I mean, this is a nice downtrend that it's in. It's broken below that. It doesn't mean it can't break above it and close above it again sometime soon. I doubt it will. Once the VIX starts breaking down into the teens, that's a pretty good indicator that people are going to start buying and looking for upside in the market. All right, and let's see, what else am I looking at here? Let's take a look at the large cap movers here real quick. I've got this list of large cap movers that I keep an eye on, and Energizer is one. I might try this one out today. Energizer, I like Energizer here. It's put in a head and shoulders here. You can see the upper neckline. So it's and I've played this before, and I've forgotten exactly where I got in on this. I remember I got in before earnings right here, and I sold some on this big up move on earnings. I think I was in around 42 a share. I was in somewhere around in here and managed to pick up a few bucks off of that trade, and then held on to it as it dipped down below. And then I think I let it go once it hit break even right in here. I'm just kind of waiting for it to finish this pattern, see if it'll break above this neckline and keep moving. I might get in a little bit early to be part of the energy that pushes past this resistance line. We'll see. What else? NCTY is taking a huge hit. This I might try this one on the short side. So there's a little cup and handle that's happening here. Let me clean that up a little bit. And so you can see it's kind of breaking down. I might try this on the short side. It depends. You can see here's the handle, and then here's the cup, and then this is the break line right here, and it's broken down below it and closed below it. So I'll keep an eye on this one for further breakdown. This is some kind of a Bitcoin play or something like that. I'm not exactly sure what's going on with it exactly. It's just a chart. Okay, what else are we looking at here? MP's just kind of hanging around these levels here. I don't know. Once it breaks above this downtrend here, then I might get interested in an MP. I've played this a bunch of times, at least 3 or 4. It was really technically, it was working out really well technically. Made a decent amount of money on these trades. I don't remember how much exactly, but it was in the hundreds. Yeah, I think maybe even in the thousands. All right, GameStop. Really not interested in GameStop. The whole short squeeze thing. If I wasn't in the momentum play back here when it was going nuts, I don't really want to be a part of it now. A little bit too risky. All right, everybody. That's the rundown for the day. So I'm watching FND. We've got a price level of 111.28 and 108.69 for entries on FND here. You can see it's kind of pulling back to the first one pre-market. And then WHLM for momentum setup. Okay, everybody. Good luck out there today. Keep your risk tight. And I will see you at the recap. Out.